Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Bulletin Prime. I am Rajnikant and today in this video we'll see the first Angular application and how the folder structure of that application. So let's move. So let me open one folder. It's Angular project. So here all the application will store. Let me go to command prompt cmd. So here everything will be taken care by Angular CLI. So if you have not installed Angular CLI, then you need to install Angular CLI. So that installation process, everything is there in my previous videos. If you are not aware of that installation, then you can refer my previous videos. That video link I have provided in the below description box. Okay, so let's move. So simple command is there which Angular CLI for which Angular CLI will create that project. So it's ng new first Angular app. So ng new first Angular app. Then you can hit enter. Then it will ask something. Would you like to add Angular routing? So we don't know what is routing as of now. So just say no, I don't want. Hit enter. Which style sheet format would you like to use? So we'll not use any style sheet as of now. So whatever is there, just hit enter. So it will take default value. Okay, so it's installing. As I have installed Git and I have configured the Git username and password globally. So automatically by default it will configure those Git things, and initially commit it will be done by itself. So just let's wait for a few seconds while it's installing. Yeah, you can see just successfully initialized Git. As I have installed Git in my local system and configured that Git in global configuration. So every project whatever I will create from Angular CLI, it will initialize Git. Okay, so let's move to this folder. We'll see what are the files it have generated. So you can see first Angular of one folder is there, and inside that one lot of other things are there. So let me import this project into Visual Studio Code. So here we go, Visual Studio Code, file, open folder, click this one. Okay, so this is the entire file structure we got. So we'll move one by one. So here E to E something is there, one folder is there. So this E to E is there, means end-to-end testing. So here src, some protector.conf, cunf.js, and a lot of other things are there. So as of now we no need to worry about this folder. Down the line we'll see how to test Angular app. And one more thing, node underscore modules folder is there. So here a lot of things are there, at dot bean folder, at the Angular dev kit, some other lot of other things are there, right? So whatever the dependencies it's got downloaded, all the things are present in node underscore modules. So we'll never touch this node underscore modules, this folder. So we no need to worry about this folder at all. Then src folder is there, where all the code, our development related code, are present in src folder. So we'll come to here. App folder is there. What other things are there? Some app component.css, app component.html, app component.ts, app component.spec.ts, app module.ts is there, and in assets, some dot keep dot git keep file is there, and in environments folder something is there, and lot of other things are there. Index.html, main.ts, polyfills.ts, styles.css, test.ts. So these are the files it got generated. Git ignore, I already said, because I have configured that git in my local system as a globally. That's why git is initialized in this project, and by default it will commit everything while generating this project. So you can see git ignore what are the folders or files it will ignore while adding to the GitHub repository, and lot of other files are there which are related to our unit testing things. Yes, package.json is there. This is entire that project information and all the dependencies it have, all the things here you can see. So you can relate package.json with the POM file of Java background. So if you are coming from Java background, we know that Maven is that build tool, and for each project we have some POM file where we have added the different dependencies and all the things. So exactly like this POM file, you can relate that POM. You can relate same as package.json. And here one file is there, package hyphen log.json. Here that actual dependencies URLs are there, and some hash or signature key is there to verify whether that distribution is correct or not. So this is the thing. Let me open my terminal and I will show you that by default it will initialize with git. So just see git log. So git log is the command. It will show all the logs, means whatever the commits you have committed into this repository, local repository. So let's see. So you can see commit some hash value, head master, some master branch this commit is, and author, yeah, author that name and email address, and date on which date it's got committed. Just see Tuesday June 30 uh 6:33 a.m. right? So it's commit message is initial commit. So as I said, I have configured git in my local. So by default, while creating this application or this Angular application, by default it will commit the initial commit with all the details. So this is our first Angular application. So let me run this one. Ng serve ng serve. So it will run in local. It's compiling that code. Just wait for a few seconds. Building that project. Yeah, done. So you can see Angular live development server is listening on localhost 4200 port. Open your browser on http://localhost:4220. So let me copy this one. Okay, and we'll hit it in the browser. Yeah, so you can see this is our first Angular application. So in the next video, I will go through that entire folder structure, and in each file what are the things are there, and how that program will run, and how which file will first it will initialize, and that Angular flow basic flow will learn. So hope this video will be helpful. Thank you.